Fireworks, which cost 2 for £20. Got fireworks safety. There's some sparklers at the bottom. I think this is. So what you get is 2 rockets, 11 fireworks, 3 shot tubes, and 1 multi-shot. 21 shot.
21 shot.
It's got 21 fireworks in one.
21 shots it fires.
21 fireworks go up.
Yeah.
That's a lot.
I think we did this the last time.
Yeah, it's the same one.
Was it Twilight last time?
No, but
it's virtually the same, isn't it?
Yeah, but some of
It
them
comes with so
are the
many
same.
fireworks.
Now I'm gonna do a scarlet ray fountain.
Let's see what the fountain looks like. See how high it goes. You pushed it into the ground.
Yes.
Keep holding until it's lit. I said move. Ooh.
Ooh, that's really nice.
Pink. It's gonna shoot.
It doesn't shoot, it's a fountain. It's not going very high.
Oh,
It's not very high.
Oh!
You're there.
Happy birthday
About
to
1
me.
foot.
Happy birthday.
2 to 2.5 foot.
Summer's turn.
That's not very high.
And now we're going to do Scarlet Ray.
Go on, sit. Always make sure you got grown up to light. Go. Yes, he is a grown up. Scarlet Ray. This is Scarlet Ray, folks.
Whoa,
Ooh.
pink!
It's a fountain.
Oh, that looks cool.
So far, no effect on the banana plants.
Whoa.
Wasn't that good?
Oh my god, look, it's got fire!
Got 2 more.
That one's a
Got 2 more left. 2 more of the Tesco
7
first
throws. Oh, the bus shot tubes.
shot tube, dude. That should be fun.
This one, señorito.
Hear them? Where's? You can hear them, but we can't see them.
Because they're at the front yard. Oh my god, look at the fire!
Yeah, it's wind, isn't
Going
it?
crazy!
It's the wind.